Although mortise, rim, and cylindrical type cylinders look differently on the outside, they all operate the same way. The main parts of a pin tumbler cylinder are as follows. The cylinder springs push the driver pins down. The top pins are pushed down into the plug and prevent the plug from turning. The bottom pins are lifted up to the shear line by the correct key. The plug turns when the correct key is inserted. The housing or shell holds all the other cylinder parts. The cam engages the locking mechanism. The cam screw holds the cam in place. The keyway is the opening in the front of the plug, and it's shaped to accept the key. When working on a pin tumbler cylinder, you'll find the pin tumbler cylinder in one of three conditions. These conditions are called settings. When there is no key in the keyway, the driver pins are forced down into the plug. This blocks the shear line and prevents the plug from being turned. The shear line is the location in a locked cylinder at which different surfaces of the pins align without obstructions, allowing the plug to turn in the shell. So the shear line in this cylinder would be right about here. Right about here. And it's being blocked by at least 4 of the 6 driver pins, and that cylinder will not turn. When an incorrect key is in the keyway, some of the bottom pins are above the shear line and some are below. This keeps the key from turning. When the correct key is in the keyway, all the bottom pins are at the shear line. This lets the plug turn.